Good morning, all of you. Welcome to online classes. I am K. Adilakshmi, working as a Maths CRT, coming from KGBV Markapur. Today, we are discussing about 9th class, 4th chapter, Lines and Angles. In previous class, C.S. Puram madam explained introduction of this chapter and example problems and also explained exercise problems. Once we recall them. First, types of angles. What are they? Zero angle 0 degrees, acute angle 0 to 90 degrees, right angle 90 degrees, obtuse angle 90 to 180 degrees, straight angle 180 degrees, reflex angle 180 to 360 degrees, complete angle 360 degrees. Pairs of angles. Pairs means any two angles. Complementary angles. Sum of any two angles is 90 degrees. Such angles are called complementary angles. Supplementary angles. Sum of any two angles is 180 degrees. Such angles are called supplementary angles. Conjugate angles. Sum of any two angles is 360 degrees. Such angles are called conjugate angles. Next, line, straight line. What is a straight line? A line extended in both directions is called a straight line. Types of lines. Parallel lines, intersecting lines, concurrent lines. Observe the diagram. Three diagrams are given. In first case, two lines have no common point. These lines are called parallel lines or non-intersecting lines. Second diagram, two lines have a common point. Such lines are called intersecting lines. Here AB and PQ are two lines. These two lines are intersecting at O. These lines are called intersecting lines. In this case, all of you observe four angles are formed. In this case, four angles are formed. ఆపోజిట్గా ఉండేటువంటి యాంగిల్స్ అని తీసుకున్నట్లయితే ఆపోజిట్ యాంగిల్స్ అంటాం. ఇన్ ఇంటర్సెక్టింగ్ లైన్స్ వర్టికల్లీ ఆపోజిట్ యాంగిల్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ and also formed adjacent angles. What are the adjacent angles? Two angles having common ray and common vertex. Two angles having a common ray and common vertex is called adjacent angles. Next, in third diagram, more than two lines. More than two lines means three lines or four lines, five lines. More than two lines passing through a point. Such lines are called concurrent lines. Next, linear pair axiom. If a ray stands on a line, then sum of two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degrees. And also learn about converse of linear pair axiom. Next, vertically opposite angles are equal. Now I am explaining exercise 4.2. In this exercise, we mainly used the conditions straight angle, linear pair axiom and vertically opposite angles. These three conditions are mainly used in this exercise. Okay? All of you take your textbooks also and listen exercise 4.2. In lines and angles, all of you observe the diagrams carefully first. After that, read the problem and understand the given information. Okay, student? Now, I am explaining exercise and problems in exercise 4.2. Page number 84. First problem. In the given figure, three lines AB, CD and EF intersecting at O. Find the values of X, Y and Z. It is being given that X is to Y is to Z is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. Here, three lines are given. What are they? AB, CD and EF. AB, CD and EF. Three lines are intersecting at O. What is the given information? Given that AB, CD and EF intersecting at O. These are the concurrent lines. What is concurrent lines? Three or more lines are intersecting at one point, then that lines are called concurrent lines. So, next what is given? Find the values of x and y. X and y values in మనం find out చేయాలి. What is the given condition is x is to y is to z is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. X is to y is to z is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. All of you observe. First take two lines, any two lines, AB and CD. Two lines are intersecting at both. It is also XY. These are the vertically opposite angle. These are the vertically opposite angle. This angle is also Y. These two also vertically opposite angle. This is also Z. These are the vertically opposite angle. So first take line CD. CD లైన్ తీసుకున్నట్లయితే ఇక్కడ త్రీ యాంగిల్స్ ఫామ్ అవుతున్నాయి x, y, z. This is a straight line. So sum of these three angles is 180 degrees. Sum of these three angles is 180 degrees. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ మనకి యాంగిల్స్ అనేది రేషియోలో ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి రేషియోని మనం ఒక కాన్స్టెంట్తో మల్టిప్లై చేసుకుంటాం. లెట్ x is equal to 2a, y is equal to రేషియో కాన్స్టెంట్ ఏగా కనుక తీసుకున్నట్లయితే y is equal to 3a, z is equal to 5a. Next, this is a straight line. Sum of the angles is straight line by angle which is 180 degrees. X plus y plus z is equal to 180 degrees. X plus y plus z is equal to 180 degrees. There is an straight angle. So x plus 2a plus 3a plus 5a is equal to 180 degrees. So 2a plus 3a plus 5a, 10a is equal to 180 degrees. A is equal to 180 degrees. 10a means 10 into a. 10 transposes to RHS by 10. 180 by 10 cancel 18. So ratio constant A is equal to 18 degrees. Next, we find the values of 2a. That means 2 into a value 18 degrees. That is equal to 2 into 18, 36 degrees. Y is equal to 3a. that equal to 3 into 18 degrees, that is 3 into 18, 18 3s are 54 degrees. Next, Z is equal to 5, that is equal to 5 into 18 degrees, 18 5s are 90 degrees. 18 5s are 90 degrees. So here we take a condition. Which condition is a straight angle? Straight angle means 180. X plus y plus z is equal to 180 తీసుకున్నాం కదా, ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేసుకోండి. 36 plus 54 degrees, that equal to 90. 90 plus 90, 180 degrees. So we find x, y and z values. Okay, next, second problem. Find the values of x in the following figures. In this problem, 4 diagrams are given. In each diagram, find x value. First one is, this is the first problem. AC is the one line and OB is a ray. OB ray touch the AC line at O. So observe this diagram. What we recall? This is a straight line. This is a straight line intersecting a ray at one point. So this is called, these two are the adjacent angles. This is a linear pair or straight angle. Linear pair ga తీసుకోవచ్చు or straight angles ga తీసుకోవచ్చు. So sum of these two angles is how much? Sum of these two angles is 180 degrees. 3x plus 18 degrees plus 93 degrees is equal to 180. What is the reason? Linear pair or straight angle. So add the 18 plus 93, how much? 3x plus 18 plus 93, 1111 is equal to 111. 180. 111 is transposes to RHS, that is minus 111. 3x is equal to 180 degrees minus 111 degrees. 3x is equal to 180 minus 111, 69 degrees. X is equal to 69 degrees by 3x means 3 into x. So into is transposes to RHS, that is divided by 69 degrees by 3. 3 1s, 3 2s, 3 3s. That is 20. That equal to 23 degrees. Therefore x is equal to 23 degrees. Okay. Next problem. Next problem also, 3 lines are given. These are 3 rays are intersecting at O. Next diagram. 3 rays OA, OB, OC. These 3 rays are intersecting at O. Find x value. All of you observe. This is the x minus 24 degrees plus 29 degrees. This is a reflex angle. So total, this is the complete angle. This is the complete angle or form a circle. So sum of these 3 angles is 360 degrees. This is the complete angle. So sum of these 3 angles is 360 degrees. X minus 24 degrees plus 29 degrees plus 296 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So what is the reason? Complete angle. Minus 24 plus 29. Sorry, 180 not 180 not, sorry, this is 360 degrees. Second problem. OA, OB, OC are 3 rays. These 3 rays are intersecting at one point, that is the O. Here three angles are given, x minus 24, 29 degrees, 396. This is the reflex angle. Actually, all of you observe. This is a one complete rotation is completed. So, sum of these three angles is 360 degrees. X degree, x minus 24 degrees plus 29 degrees plus 296 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. What is the reason? Complete angle. Complete angle. So, that these angles x plus 24 minus 24 plus 29, 5 degrees. 5 plus 296. So, 301 degrees plus 301 degree is equal to 360 degrees. Plus 301 degrees is transposes to RHS, that is minus 301 degrees. And this is equal to 360 degrees minus 301 degree. That is equal to subtract 360 minus 301, 59 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 59 degrees. Okay, next third diagram. Here AB, CD and EF are three lines. These three lines are intersecting at O. Observe 2 plus 3x 62 degrees. These are the what? Observe this diagram. These are vertically opposite angles. These are the vertically opposite. AB and CD lines are intersecting at one point, so that these two lines are vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are equal. Two plus 3x degrees is equal to 62 degrees. Plus 2 transposes to RHS, that is minus 2. 3x is equal to 62 degrees minus 2. 3x is equal to 60 degrees. X is equal to OB. These three rays are intersecting at O. This is a right angle and here this is the 90 degrees. So this is also a 90 degrees. Sum of these two angles is 90 degrees. So 40 degrees plus 62, 6x plus 2 plus 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. This is also a straight angle. Straight angle paina three angles divided 40, 60, 6x plus 2 plus 90. Total sum of angle is 180 degrees. 40 plus 2, 42. 42 plus 90 degrees, 132 degrees. 6x plus 132 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. 6x is equal to plus 132 is transposed to RHS, that's changed as minus 132 degrees. 6x is equal to 180 degrees minus 132 degrees, that is equal to 48 degrees. X is equal to 48 by 6. 6 1 so 6 8 jar, that is equal to. Therefore, x is equal to 8 degrees. In the given figure, lines AB and CD are intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degrees, angle BOD is equal to 40 degrees. Find angle BOE and reflex of angle COE. First observe now what is given in the given information. AB CD. These two lines are intersecting at O. Next, what is given? Angle AOC plus angle BOD. Angle AOC plus angle BOD is equal to, sorry, angle BOE is equal, sum of these two angles is 70. Next, angle BOD. Angle BOD is equal to 40 degrees. So observe this diagram. For ఇక్కడ దీన్ని ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇదంతా లేదనుకున్నట్లయితే observe these two lines T and 40 degrees. Angle AOC and angle BOD are vertically opposite angles. So T is equal to 40 degrees. So the angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Reason ఏంటి? Vertically opposite angles. Next, angle AOC means D is equal to angle BO 40 degrees. D is equal to 40 degrees. Next, angle AOC, this is the angle AOC is equal to D is equal to 40 degrees. Next, what is given in the problem? The angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degrees. ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ AOC ఆల్రెడీ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం. 40 degrees plus యాంగిల్ BOE is equal to 70. 40 transposes minus 40, angle BOE is equal to 70 degrees minus 40 degrees. Angle BOE is equal to 30 degrees. Angle BOE is equal to 30 degrees. Next, what we have find next, reflex of angle COE. Reflex of angle COE. So ఇది టోటల్ యాంగిల్ మొత్తం మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసరికి డి వాల్యూ ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకి? ఇక్కడ డి 40 degrees. నెక్స్ట్ యాంగిల్ BOE ఎంత వచ్చింది? 30 degrees. నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్ యాంగిల్ COE. ఈ యాంగిల్ COEకి ఈ రిఫ్లెక్స్ యాంగిల్ కనుక్కోవాలి అంటే ఈ టోటల్ ఈ యాంగిల్ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఫస్ట్ యాంగిల్ AOC తెలిసిపోయింది, యాంగిల్ BOD తెలుసు. నెక్స్ట్ యాంగిల్ BOD. మనకి యాంగిల్ AOD తెలియాలి. యాంగిల్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద యాంగిల్ AOD? అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్ డయాగ్రామ్. యాంగిల్ AOC ప్లస్ యాంగిల్ AOD ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 180. లీనియర్ పేర్. యాంగిల్ AOC plus angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180. This is linear pair. Next, angle AOC. What is the angle AOC? 40 degrees plus angle AOD is equal to 180. 40 degrees transposes to RHS. Angle AOD is equal to 180 degrees minus 40 degrees. That is equal to angle AOD is equal to minus 40. Sorry, angle AOD is equal to 180 minus 40, 140 degrees. Angle AOD is equal to 140. Reflex of angle COE. COE की reflex angle and the sum of all these angles. Reflex of angle COE is equal to angle AOC plus angle
AOD plus angle BOD plus angle BOE. What is angle AOC? 40 degrees plus angle AOD. What is the angle AOD? 140 degrees plus angle BOD. Angle BOD 40 degrees plus angle POE 30 degrees. So 40 plus 140 180 degrees. 180 plus 40 220. 220 plus 30 250 degrees. What is the reflex of angle COE? 250 degrees. So first, therefore angle BOE is equal to 30 degrees and reflex of, therefore reflex of angle COE is equal to 250 degrees. Reflex of angle COE is equal to 250. Next, fourth problem. Observe the diagram. In the given figure, lines X, Y and MN are intersecting at O. X, Y and MN are intersecting at O. Angle POY is equal to 90. Angle POY is equal to 90. And A is to B is equal to ratio of A and B is 2:3. Find C. C value ni find out cheyali. Okay, given information. What is the given information? XY and lines XY and MN are intersecting at O. Are intersecting at O. Next, angle POY is equal to 90. Angle POY is equal to 90. Angle POY is equal to 90 degrees and ratio of A and B. A is to B is equal to 2:3. Find C value ni manam find out cheyali. Observe the diagram. XY is a straight line. Already given in the given information. XY is a straight line. So this is the angle. Here the angle at O is 180 degrees. A plus B plus angle POY is equal to 180 degrees. That is the straight angle. A plus B plus angle POY is equal to 180 degrees. రేషియో కాన్స్టెంట్ కనుక మనం వేరే ఏదో ఒక రేషియో కాన్స్టెంట్ ఒక లెటర్గా తీసుకుంటున్నాం. రేట్ ఆఫ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్. ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2x అండ్ బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు రాస్తాను. రేషియో కాన్స్టెంట్ మనం ఏదో ఒక లెటర్ తీసుకున్నాం. ఎక్స్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2x, బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3x. ఏ 2x ప్లస్ 3x ప్లస్ యాంగిల్ POY. యాంగిల్ POY ఈజ్ 90 degrees. 90 degrees is equal to 180. 2x plus 3x 5x plus 90 degrees is transposes to RHS minus 90 degrees. 180 degrees minus 90 degrees. 5x is equal to 90 degrees. X is equal to 90 degrees by 5. 5 ones 5 4. Therefore, x is equal to 18 degrees. Stand up. X is equal to 18 degrees. A is equal to 2x. that is equal to 2 into 18 degrees, that is equal to 18 to 0, 36 degrees. Next B is equal to 3x. 3 into 18 degrees, that equal to 18 3 0, 54 degrees. Next first we find out C value. Observe the line MN. This is the linear pair or straight angle. This is also one of the straight angle or linear pair. So B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. What is the reason? Linear pair of straight angle. So what is the value of B? 54 degrees plus C is equal to 180 degrees. C is equal to 180 degrees minus 54 degrees. What is 180 minus 54? 6. Next, 752. 126 degrees. Therefore, C is equal to 126 degrees. C is equal to 126 degrees. Next, fifth problem. In the given figure, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Angle PQR, this angle, is equal to angle PRQ. This angle. These two angles are given. This is the given information. Angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. These two angles are equal. Next, then prove that angle PQS, this angle, is equal to angle PRQ, angle PRT. These two angles అనేవి మనము ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్స్ టు ఈక్వల్ అయితే ఎక్స్టీరియర్ యాంగిల్స్ టు కూడా ఈక్వల్ అవుతాయని మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ అబ్జర్వ్ ద డయాగ్రామ్. యాంగిల్ ఫస్ట్ దిస్ పార్ట్ తీసుకోండి ఇంతవరకు. ఫస్ట్ యాంగిల్ PQR ప్లస్ యాంగిల్ PQS is equal to 180 degrees. Linear pair or straight angle. Linear pair or straight angle. This is sum of these angle is 180 degrees. The angle PQR is equal to plus angle PQS is equal to 180 degrees. This is 180. Next, observe this angle also. Angle PRS plus angle PRT. Angle PRQ. Angle PRQ plus angle PRT also 180 degrees. This is equation 2. Observe equation 1 and 2. RHS are equal. 180 degrees, 180. So LHS also equal. Angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. So, what is the given information? Angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. PQR plus PRQ, two angles are equal. So, cross of these two angles. Next, angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Hence, these two angles are equal. So, in the given information, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So, cross these two angles. Next, remaining angles are angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Therefore, the angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Next, sixth problem. In the given figure, is x plus y is equal to y plus z. So, x plus y is equal to w plus z. మనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి యాంగిల్స్లో x ప్లస్ y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు w ప్లస్ z. ఇవి రెండు కూడా ఈక్వల్. నెక్స్ట్ దెన్ ప్రూవ్ దట్ ఏఓబి ఈజ్ ఏ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఓ. ఏఓబి ఈజ్ ఏ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్. మనము ఏఓబిని ఒక స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ అని చెప్పేసి ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. సో అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్ డయాగ్రామ్ x, y, z, w. కంప్లీట్ యాంగిల్ అనేది ఒక రొటేషన్ అయిపోయింది. సో x ప్లస్ వై ప్లస్ జెడ్ ప్లస్ డబ్ల్యూ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 360 degrees. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ కంప్లీట్ యాంగిల్. లేదంటే దీస్ ఫోర్ యాంగిల్స్ ఆర్ ఫార్మ్ ఏ సర్కిల్. ది యాంగిల్ అట్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్ ఈజ్ 360 degrees. సో x ప్లస్ వై ప్లస్ w plus z is equal to 360 degrees. This is a complete angle. So, what is the given information? X plus y is equal to w plus z. W plus z place లో x plus y ని replace చేసేయచ్చు. Equal. These two are equal. X plus y plus x plus y is equal to 360 degrees. X plus y, x plus y. So, double of x plus y. 2x, x plus x, 2x, y plus y, 2y. 2 into x plus y is equal to 360 degrees. So, 2 into x plus y is equal to 360. 2 transposes to RHS. X plus y is equal to 360 degrees by 2. So, 180 degrees. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. X plus y. X plus y is equal to 180 degrees. So, angle AOC and angle AOCOB are form a linear pair. X and y are form a linear pair. So, AOB is a straight line. Therefore, x and y are form a linear pair. Linear pair. Therefore, AOB is a straight line. First, what is the given information? X plus y is equal to w plus z. X, y, z, w. These four angles, complete rotation is completed. So, this is a complete angle. X plus y plus w plus z is equal to 360. X plus, given information like x plus y is equal to w plus z plus x plus y replaces some double of x plus y. So, w done by 180 degrees. X and y are form a linear pair or supplementary and kuda teesukochu. Supplementary. So, AOB is a straight line. Seventh problem. In the given figure, PQ is a line. This is the PQ. This is a line. A ray OR is perpendicular to PQ. OR. This is OR. OR is perpendicular to PQ. Next, OS is another laying between rays OP and OR. This is the another ray. This ray is lies between OR and OP. Then prove that. What is prove? Then prove that the angle ROS is equal to 1/2 into angle QOS minus యాంగిల్ పిఓఎస్, యాంగిల్ ఆర్ఓఎస్, ఆర్ఓఎస్ ఈ యాంగిల్ అనేది 1/2 ఇంటూ యాంగిల్ క్యూఓఎస్ మైనస్ యాంగిల్ పిఓఎస్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద గివెన్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్? గివెన్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ PQ is a line, PQ is a line and OR is perpendicular to PQ. OR is perpendicular, this is the perpendicular symbol. OR is perpendicular to PQ. Next, perpendicular means angle QOR or angle ROQ is equal to 90. Angle ROQ is equal to 90 degrees and next same angle POR is also 90 degrees. Angle ROQ is equal to angle POR is equal to 90 degrees. Angle POR is equal to angle ROQ, angle POR is equal to angle QOR. QOR. These two are 90 degrees angles, right angles. So why these two are angle, right angles? OR is perpendicular to PQ. So angle POR is equal to angle QOR. Next, POR angle కనుక మనం తీసుకున్నట్లయితే POR angle is a summation of these two angles. Summation of these two angles. So angle POR is equal to angle ROS plus angle POS. Angle ROS plus angle POS. POR is equal to angle POS plus POR angle ni angle POS plus angle ROS గా రాస్తాం. Angle POS plus angle ROS, that is equal to next angle QOR. ఈ యాంగిల్ ఏం చేస్తానంటే యాంగిల్ QOS, యాంగిల్ QOS మైనస్ యాంగిల్ ROS గా తీసుకుంటాం. ఈ యాంగిల్ రావాలి అంటే ఈ టోటల్ ఈ యాంగిల్లో నుంచి ఈ యాంగిల్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేసామనుకోండి, నెక్స్ట్ యాంగిల్ QOR యాంగిల్ వస్తుంది. సో యాంగిల్ QOS మైనస్ యాంగిల్ ROS. సో యాంగిల్ ROS ని ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేసిన యాంగిల్ QOS ని RHSYకి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తాం. యాంగిల్ ROS మైనస్ యాంగిల్ ROS ప్లస్ యాంగిల్ ROS, యాంగిల్ ROS ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు యాంగిల్ QOS మైనస్ యాంగిల్ POS. యాంగిల్ ROS ప్లస్ యాంగిల్ ROS ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 into యాంగిల్ ROS, that is equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. 2 into angle ROS is equal to 2 transposes to RHS minus 1/2. Angle ROS is equal to 1/2 into angle QOS minus angle POS. What else we proved? Angle ROS is equal to 1/2 into angle QOS minus angle POS. So this is the 7th problem. Angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees. XY is produced to a point P. A ray YQ bisects angle XYP. Draw a figure from the given information. ఈ ఇప్పుడు వరకు అన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా డయాగ్రామ్స్ ఇచ్చేసారు. మనం ఈ ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ డయాగ్రామ్కి ఫామ్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఫైండ్ యాంగిల్ XYQ అండ్ రిఫ్లెక్స్ ఆఫ్ యాంగిల్ QYP. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ యాంగిల్ XYZ is equal to 64 degrees first. ఒక యాంగిల్ ఫామ్ చేద్దాం. XYZ యాంగిల్ XYZ. దిస్ ఈజ్ Y. మిడిల్లో యాంగిల్ Y. సారీ, దిస్ ఈజ్ X, Y. This is Z. XYZ is equal to 64 degrees. Next, XY is produced to a point P. XY line ఒక ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ చేస్తే ఒక P వరకు ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ produced to a point P. Next, a ray YQ bisects angle XYP. A ray YQ bisects XYP యాంగిల్ ని ఒక రే బైసెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది, అది P. Bisects XYP. YQ, this is the ray YQ bisects XYP. Bisects means ఈ XYP యాంగిల్ ని టూ ఈక్వల్ యాంగిల్ గా ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది. మరి దీస్ టూ యాంగిల్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. సో XY is a line, this is a linear pair. So sum of these two angles is 180 degrees minus 180 minus 64 degrees. 180 minus 64 degrees. How much? 116. Sum of these two angles is 116. YQ bisects these two angles. So each angle is 58 degrees. Each angle is 58 degrees. Then find, this is the diagram. Find angle XYQ. The angle XYQ. XYQ. This is the angle XYQ is equal to sum of these two angles. The angle XYQ is equal to sum of angle XYZ, angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. ZYQ, that is equal to 64 degrees plus 58 degrees. That is equal to how much? 122 degrees. How much? 122 degrees. Next, reflex of angle QYP. Reflex of angle QYP. QYP ki reflex angle. That means total angle. This is the angle. This angle మొత్తం తీసుకోవాలి. Reflex of angle QYP is equal to 360. So complete angles means 360. XYQ is equal to, reflex of QYP is equal to 50 degrees, 58 degrees. So complete angle means 360. Reflex means 360 degrees minus 58 degrees. 360 degrees minus 58 degrees. So how much? 302 degrees. So therefore the angle XYQ is equal to 120 degree, 122 degrees. Reflex of angle QYP is equal to 302 degrees. This is the 8th problem. Okay students, we are completing exercise 4.2 in lines and angles.
Now, home assignment. Okay students, today I am giving a home assignment. I am giving 3 problems only. All of you do these 3 problems. The first one, in the given figure, AB is a straight line. Find the value of x and also find angle AOC, angle COD and angle BOD. All of you observe this diagram. AB is a line, Angle at O is divided into three parts. Sum of these three angles is 180 degrees. What is the reason? Straight angle. So all of you add this sum of three angles and equal to 180. Then find angle of x. Next, second problem. In the adjacent figure, lines PQ and RS intersect each other at point O. If angle POR is to angle ROQ is equal to 4:5, then find all angles. In this problem, PQ and RS are intersecting lines. These lines are intersecting at O. We know that two lines are intersect at one point, four angles are formed. Then they are called vertically opposite angles, or also formed a linear pair. లీనియర్ పెయిర్ కండిషన్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని స్ట్రైట్ లైను లీనియర్ పెయిర్ కండిషన్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ని మనము సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. హియర్ ద కండిషన్ ఈజ్ యాంగిల్ POR is to angle ROQ is equal to 4:5. Here also take ratio constant and sum of these two angles is 180 degrees. What is the reason? Linear pair or straight angle. Okay, then find other angles. Okay, next third problem. Calculate angle AOC, angle BOD and angle AOE in the adjacent figure. Given that angle COD is equal to 90, angle BOE is equal to 72 degrees and AOB is a line. Here all of you observe the diagram carefully. Which condition is used? Straight line. AOB is a straight line. First, 3x plus 69 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. What is the condition? Linear pair or straight angle? Here also. So, 3x plus 69 degrees is equal to 180. Here find the value of x. After that, find the other angles. Okay, student, all of you do this assignment.